Hey viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. A British Royal Navy F-35B stealth fighter jet valued at over $110 million and part of the HMS Prince of Wales carrier strike group has remained grounded at Thiruvananthapuram International Airport in Kerala since making an emergency landing on June 14. The fifth-generation combat aircraft, known for its advanced short takeoff and vertical landing capabilities, was conducting a routine sortie over the Indian Ocean when it encountered severe weather and reported critically low fuel levels. Following standard emergency procedures, the pilot declared a distress situation, prompting a swift and coordinated response from the Indian Air Force Integrated Air Command and Control System, which guided the jet to a safe landing at approximately 9:30 p.m. Though the landing itself was successful, subsequent checks revealed a significant hydraulic system failure, which is crucial for the jet's precision flight control, especially during vertical landing operations. The aircraft was moved to a secure bay at the airport with logistical and security support from Indian authorities, including the Central Industrial Security Force. Initially a small Royal Navy engineering unit flown in by a Merlin AW101 helicopter attempted on-site repairs, but the fault persisted. The UK's initial reluctance to accept offers to relocate the aircraft to a sheltered facility prolonged its exposure to the Kerala monsoon. However, following diplomatic discussions and logistical reassessments, the UK accepted India's proposal to shift the jet to a maintenance, repair and overhaul facility at the airport. Today, that is July 6, the jet was finally moved to the hangar, providing much-needed shelter and a better environment for assessment and repairs. Coinciding with this relocation, a Royal Air Force Airbus A400M Atlas transport aircraft landed at Thiruvananthapuram Airport at 12:46 p.m., carrying a 24-member team comprising 14 engineers and 10 crew members. This deployment follows several weeks of speculation, media attention and a growing social media frenzy in India regarding the jet's fate. The engineering team, which includes Lockheed Martin trained specialists, will now undertake a comprehensive technical inspection to determine whether repairs can be carried out locally or if the jet will need to be dismantled and flown back to the UK or US. The Atlas aircraft transporting the experts departed from RAF Bryce Norton in Oxfordshire on July 4, making refueling stops at RAF Akrotiri in Cyprus and Seb International Airport in Oman before arriving in India. This marks a significant escalation in the UK's effort to resolve the grounding incident. Throughout the incident, Indian authorities have provided consistent support and coordination. A spokesperson from the British High Commission expressed gratitude for India's assistance, acknowledging the collaboration between Indian agencies and British defence personnel as essential to managing the situation effectively. While the technical team begins its assessment in the sheltered facility, a 6-member detachment from the HMS Prince of Wales continues to secure the aircraft on site. British officials maintain that the jet can be restored to operational status in India, subject to repairs and safety protocols. However, sources indicate that dismantling the wings and tail for airlift remains a contingency plan to be considered only if all repair options are exhausted. As the evaluation progresses, clarity is expected in the coming days regarding whether the F-35B will once again take flight from Indian soil or be returned to the British or American facilities for comprehensive servicing. That's all for now. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.